So what's the difference between investing in cryptocurrency and earning cryptocurrency? We need to understand this if we really want to transform our finances. So let's have a look at that. You see, cryptocurrency is not something new. It's been around since 2010. Investing in cryptocurrency is not new either. We have been investing in cryptocurrency for the last 10 years. Why do we invest money in crypto? Because we have been taught that apart from a job, the next best way of building our wealth is by investing, spending money. Now, let us understand the difference between investing in cryptocurrency and earning it. I will use a simple examples of apples and cryptocurrency because geniuses, millionaire minds always simplify concepts. Take, for example, Steve Jobs. He says simple can be harder than complex. But you have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. But once you get there, you can move mountains. Robert Kiyosaki, he says one of the greatest ways to acquire great wealth is by playing Monopoly in real life. Two giants of the 21st century. Basically, they are saying use simple common sense because these simple common sense ideas can change lives. So let us follow the same train of thought and keep it simple. What is the connection between apples and cryptocurrency? You see, the difference between investing in cryptocurrency and earning it is the same as buying apples and owning an apple tree. Let's break this down. When you want an apple, you buy it, you swipe your card, or you take money out of your wallet and you purchase an apple. If you want a second apple, you'll take money out of your wallet again. So every time you want an apple, you will swipe your card or you will take money out of your wallet. So buying is always money out of your wallet. This is what it means to invest in cryptocurrency. You're spending money repeatedly. Now, what about earning cryptocurrency? Earning cryptocurrency means you buy an apple seed. You plant the seed and you take care of it. And when the tree produces apples, apples start falling into your backyard. That's money falling into your bank account, income into your wallet. So this is the difference between buying and earning cryptocurrency. Because when you buy, remember, it's always a liability. Robert Kiyosaki speaks about this. A liability is something that keeps taking money out of your wallet. And this is called the employee's mindset. We cannot think of earning an additional monthly income source apart from a job because we are taught to work in a job. We are taught this for 15 years. But the rich people, the wealthy mindset, focus on owning assets because when you own an apple tree, it's producing cryptocurrency over and over again. Here's another example. Others get confused between earning and investing in crypto. Look at these images. Both look the same, but they are different. When you want to invest in crypto, it is always money out of your bank account. Remember, you want to buy crypto, you spend money, you get some cryptocurrency. You have got a taste for it, so maybe you spend more money. You buy more cryptocurrency again. Perhaps the markets are fallen, so you're advised to spend more money and buy more cryptocurrency. Maybe you are really rich, you spend more money and you buy more cryptocurrency. But this is called a liability. You're spending money repeatedly. Earning cryptocurrency means you buy that apple seed, income into your account. You buy the seed, you take care of it, and then that apple tree starts producing apples and crypto starts falling into your account. It is money into your account. So this is what we call a real asset. So remember, guys, investing is a liability because you're repeatedly spending money. Earning cryptocurrency is an asset because your asset is generating money for you repeatedly now, not after 1 year, not after 10 years, but you earn now. So this is what happened with me and an acquaintance I knew in July 2020. Both of us were introduced to cryptocurrency in July 2020, and we were explained about the concept of investing and earning. Now, this acquaintance of mine said that he didn't want to earn crypto because he couldn't really understand this concept of earning. So what did he do? He decided to invest 30,000 Indian rupees or 400 US dollars in one Ethereum. Now, at that time, I was going through a real major financial crunch. I couldn't invest so much money. So I decided to get into the system where I could earn cryptocurrency. I bought the Apple seed. So I put in 14,000 Indian rupees or 185 US dollars. Now time passed on, and after 6 months, this acquaintance of mine gets in touch with me and he's super excited. And he told me, Ryan, investing in Ethereum was my best decision ever. My 30,000 Indian rupees is now 1.50 lakh Indian rupees. Or you can see this here, his $400 had become $2,000. Basically, he had made a 400% profit. And we can all agree that 400% is a massive profit in 6 months. And he went on to give me a speech on taking a risk, getting into the market at the right time and things like that. And I listened to him patiently. But during that same time, remember, in August, he had one Ethereum. In February 2021, he still had only one Ethereum. But I was working on earning cryptocurrency. So in the same time period, my $185 turned into 34,000 US dollars or 26 lakh Indian rupees. I earned 25 Ethereum. I made an 18,400% profit. The difference is my acquaintance, he invested. He took on a liability. I invested in an asset to generate money for me repeatedly. I keep telling people, the rich always invest in assets. The working class invest in liabilities. So basically, he bought the apple, but I invested in an asset called the Apple Tree to earn cryptocurrency repeatedly. Remember, the employee mindset is trained to take on liabilities. For 15 years, we are trained to work, get a job. And if we want money outside a job, we need to learn to invest repeatedly. The wealthy mindset, they always focus on owning assets. And because I focus on this, I was able to earn this money in a short period of time. This is the teaching of Robert Kiyosaki, guys. The middle class and poor class always work for money. The rich have money work for them because they focus on owning assets that generate money repeatedly. Now you decide if you want to invest repeatedly in cryptocurrency or change your mindset, learn skills to earn cryptocurrency repeatedly. It is called the wealthy mindset. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Get in touch with me or the person who shared this video with you and learn the wealthy mindset of how to own an asset to earn cryptocurrency repeatedly.